Hi, I'm Danny from Danny's Do-It-Yourself Garage. In this video, I'll be reviewing my 2009 Honda Civic. I actually own two Civics. One is a silver EX with 167,000 miles on it, and the other one is a gray LX with 124,000 miles on it. I purchased both of these new in 2009. I've owned these now for 13 years. I've done all the maintenance on it myself, so I know my history. At the time of this video, I have no issues and they both purr like a kitten. As far as mechanical problems over the last 13 years, the LX has had no mechanical issues to this date. The EX, around 155,000 miles, needed a starter motor. I have a video on diagnosing the starter motor on my channel if you're interested. Crank it again. Okay. I did do a valve adjustment on both cars. However, they didn't need it. Both were still within specification. I also have a video on that if you're interested. Oil changes were also done religiously. Transmission drain and fill, also installing the transmission cooler filter. I did a power steering flush, changed the coolant. I even fixed the auxiliary input port for the radio. Front brakes were done. The disc on the rear were done on the EX, and the LX has drum brakes. And by the way, I have videos on this also on my YouTube channel. Mechanically, both these cars have been excellent. Now for the interior. On both these cars, everything looks good. I did have to replace a couple of sun visors on both cars. This is a common problem. Also, my driver's window on the LX recently stopped working. I do have a video on how to diagnose that. Now let's talk about the exterior of the car. Let's start with the LX. This spent most of its life outside in the California sunshine. The clear coat started fading and turning white. I tried to touch up the paint, but this was a big failure. You can see this video on my channel. I recently had the gray LX painted and now it looks good again. The window molding on both cars rotted out. I replaced it for about $40. I do have a video on that also. The silver EX spent most of its time in the garage and the paint still looks great. Also, I touched up the rusted steel rims on the LX. I used a can of spray paint for this, and this cleaned it up and really looks good. To sum up my review, both these cars have been low maintenance and very dependable for the last 13 years. They should last many more years. I recommend purchasing this year's Civic if you get a chance. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, please share it with someone you think might enjoy this. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.